Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting both devices ready. First, update your Apple Watch and iPhone so features match. This avoids compatibility issues. Once done, enable Siri on the iPhone under Settings Siri and search so the wrist can access the voice assistant. Make sure on the watch you turn on Listen for Hey Siri and Raise to Speak. These steps give the watch permission and input methods. Do this now so the watch can actually receive and respond to your voice commands. Next, configure how Siri sounds and listens. In the Watch app on your iPhone, choose Siri language and voice so pronunciations match what you expect, and then sync settings. Then check the microphone by asking a simple query. This confirms audio routing and volume. Also verify the watch has Wi-Fi or cellular active because Siri uses network services for web searches and conversions. If you want faster replies, prioritize a stable connection. Otherwise, commands may be limited to on-device tasks. Now you're ready to use Siri. Say, "Hey Siri," press the digital crown, or simply raise your wrist and speak. Ask actionable things, set a timer, send a message, or request directions, and you'll see why voice input speeds tasks. If Siri doesn't respond, restart your watch, confirm Bluetooth and network connections, then toggle Siri off and back on. If problems persist, unpair and repair the watch to refresh the whole link. That usually resolves stubborn communication faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.